Welcome to Wendy Bright Production channel. How to make hair shampoo with extra foaming. Wendy hair shampoo always available and affordable. Ingredients: menthol. You dissolve your menthol in your fragrance. This is the first thing you will do so that the menthol will dissolve on time. Shake it very well. Measurement is at the end of this video. You keep it for some minutes to dissolve very well. Let's start. Caustic soda is optional. You can choose not to use it. Your soda ash, nitrous soap, STPP is also optional. SLS, Texapon, sulfonic acid, formalin, preservative water, dissolved menthol in fragrance, color, foam booster for extra foaming, sulfonic acid is also for foaming, dissolve your soda ash in water. Dissolve ash in water and stir very well. Dissolve your soda ash in water and stir it very well. Use water to dissolve your SLS, STPP, and caustic soda. Make sure your SLS, your STPP, and caustic soda, make sure they dissolve very well. Stir them very well. Please subscribe, like and share this video. To your main bucket, you add your natural soap. Stir very well. You add some soda ash to thicken it. Don't add all the soda ash. We'll be using the remaining one to dissolve the Texapon. I supply quality hair shampoo. If you want to buy, go to my description for more information. Add Texapon to the other portion of soda ash. To make it more easier for you, you can divide your soda ash into two. Stir very well. Then add sulfonic acid and stir it very well. I prefer this method. To your main bucket, add your dissolved SLS and stir very well. To your main bucket, add your dissolved SLS and stir very well. Then add the mixture of XLX, Texapon, and sulfonic acid. Stir it very, very well. Add caustic soda. Add STPP, they are optional. Add caustic soda, add STPP, and stir very well, they are optional. Then you add your foam booster. This is for extra foaming. This is for extra foaming. Foam booster is for extra foaming. I'm still adding another foam booster. Foam booster can have different colors. Depends on the one you bought. Then add formalin. Please like and share this video. Then you add your mixture of fragrance and methyl. You can also use methyl salicylate or industrial comfort. As you can see, I used methyl. You dissolve it in water. You use water to dissolve it, and you stir very well. Add your color and stir very well. Then leave it for some minutes or hours. Your hair shampoo with extra foaming is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.